Oh.
Hi guys, so we're at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. There we go, the time is 18:06 on Wednesday the 22nd of April 2015. This is for 18:04, 2 kilometres 62, 2 kilometres 62 each with the train service from Sleaford to Doncaster. Yes, and there are pigeons sunbathing on the track.
What a nice departure, board. Lovely.
Eastman, this is for our
Yeah.
I've had this cold for nearly a month now.
So that's Derby, Burn, Tamworth, Wilmington University.
It won't go away.
I need to open National Rail. This. Deals off. Okie doke, Liverpool broken. Oh, for God's sake, Anne. May I have your attention, please, on platform 5. We are sorry to announce that the 18:05 East Midlands trains service to London St Pancras has been cancelled.
Oh.
This is due to a person being hit by a train.
Really?
On behalf of East Midlands Trains, we apologise for the inconvenience to your pupil. Well, that was nice. Such an flicker.
Right, 401, what damage can you do to a pigeon today? It's a return of the death of the pigeon. One 156,401. The enemy of the bird. 156,401 to Doncaster, and up they go. The pigeon's worst enemy, 401. Thank you guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's videos.